Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video I'm going to show you how to reset the HUAWEI P30 Lite. So without waiting, let's take a look at the video.
Start with powering off the device using the power key and selecting power off. After the phone powers off, hold volume up and power buttons together till you see the HUAWEI. From the menu, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset using volume buttons to navigate and the power key to confirm it. Confirm the operation by writing yes, and then select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Once more select Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Once the process is finite, tap on Reboot System Now by using the power key. The hard reset operation will be finished in a few moments.
Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video helped. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.